Hello and welcome to LearningEngineer.com, where we engineer learning for efficiency. My name is Michael Langdon, and today I'm going to do a simple slideshow in FlashDevelop. Now when you begin and you open up FlashDevelop, the first thing you want to do is start a new project. So you'd click on that. And for ours today we're going to do a Flex 4 project, and we would name it just something like SlideShow Simple. And you can save that wherever you want to, in whatever location, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to have it create a directory for it. And you just click OK. And here we have our SlideShow Simple. Okay, here's our source, and if we double click on our main XML, it brings it up right here. Okay, and so that's where we begin. And then from here we would go on to coding. Now one of the things you'd want to do is you would want to take your source and add a folder, and generally I would call this folder assets, because this is a simple slideshow. We're going to need some assets such as images, and you can literally take and drag and drop your images from your desktop or wherever right into this folder. It's that simple. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to close this project because I have a slideshow project already going. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to close this and go back to slideshow, and there's the main XML. So that's this file is right this file here, and this is my code. Now what I have here is I have two labels. I have Simple Slideshow and FlashDevelop, and I have that at a horizontal center of 0. Then I have another label called Image Path, and that's basically the path. It's going to show you the path to the image, and that's at a different location, and it goes under Image Name, which is the path of the image. And then it's going to go, the top is going to do all this math with the image holder height, image holder, which is where the image goes into, and that again is horizontal center, so in the middle. And then we have the image holder. The image holder is attached to the zoomer value, and the zoomer value is the V slider. Okay? Now there's a back button and a next button. Okay? And if these are clicked on them, they go to change image, and if it's back, and then if it's next. The scale mode is stretch, horizontal center, horizontal vertical. That means it's in the middle. Those are really two nice things to work with in Flex, because they allow your package or your program to center itself automatically. The source is image name, and then of course again the image holder is attached to the zoomer value, which is the V slider. So when you move it, it makes the image go up and down. So now let's look at the code. And really that's all you have to do for that code. You don't have to do anything else. There's no code up in the Actionscript. So the Actionscript is very simple. We have two bindable public vars, one called image num and one called image name. Okay, so what I did over here is, here's my pictures 1 through 7, and I named them numbers. Okay, very simple. And this allows me to basically run through them just by adding 1 to them. So this is the string, and then it's going to have the image number, and it's going to add it to the string. So change image, so when it clicks one of the buttons, either front, next, or back, and so it's a switch, and it's a case select switch, so it just goes case next. So if the image number is greater than 6, then the image number equals 1. So if it's 7 basically. Else, if the image number equals image number plus 1. So then it takes the image number and then it takes the image number and adds 1 to it. So then when it goes through, it goes to the next one. So then you take the image name and you attach it to the assets and then that string where we just made our number here, depending upon the context in which the number is. And then it's basically the same thing for down here. Now, of course, Here you would change this to however many pictures you have. You would just change the final number. This would go to one less than however many pictures you have, and this one would go to however many pictures you have. And then there's the break. I will be posting the code at LearningEngineer.com/downloads, and you should be able to get it there, probably with a demo of it as well. Yeah, there'll probably be a demo there you can click on. So look for that. I'll have that up in the next day or so. So thank you for your time. This is a simple This is Simple SlideShow in Flash, but we want to test the movie. And to test the movie after we've done typing in all our stuff, you just come up here to test movie, this little button here. We click on it. It's compiling it. You can see the output down here. Here it is. So here's our program. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we can go back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can use this image zoom, make it bigger. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Okay, and that's Simple SlideShow in FlashDevelop.